Hi guys, my name is Reina. I saw this video how to make a great entrance, so I just wanted to try it out and share it with you guys. So let's get going. So I put it the path, I don't know what's it called, inside on top of the grass, yeah, and with cherry blossoms to make it prettier. And over here, we're gonna put some cliffs until the yeah, you're gonna put the water source, so you have to skip one space and then put all the cliffs. But you're only gonna put 10 cliffs, so yeah, you're only gonna put 10 to the top. And after, you're just going to keep filling out until on the sideways you're just gonna do 4. Yeah, on the sides you're gonna do 4, and then you're gonna go up till 10 cliffs. And you're gonna block it for the water source to make it prettier. And I'm gonna fast forward it. I'm almost done this side of the cliff, so I'll go up and put 2 layers of cliff. After you're done, you're gonna do the same to the other side, and of course, I'll fast forward it. Oops, I made a mistake. I forgot the last lines. I forgot one part of the cliff, so now I'll have to put the top ones too. Like that. Yeah. Now I'll go down for the waterscaping on the sideways. Yeah. The sideways, and then let's waterscape it. Actually, I think I should do the waterfalls first because that'll be easier. Because I'll have to go from the other way. And then you have to go back and skip 2 and waterfall, skip 1, and then 1 waterfall, and then go, turn around, and another waterfall. For a double waterfall. No, it's not double waterfall. And another waterfall. And then you're just gonna go up, and you'll have to waterscape the other ones too. But you can't do it like that because it's the corner, just like the cliff. It's like a cliff. And then do 1 there and there. Wait, there. You'll have to keep doing it until the end, but not the end because the last one doesn't work. And more. No. Oops. I forgot about that. I just said it and I forgot about it. I can't believe that. Now it's time for the flowers and the plants. Now I'll actually go there, and then waterscaping, mend it, and then put the dark dirt path. Oopsie. And right over there, I'll put the dark dirt path. It's hard when you keep saying it. And the waterscaping, I should have done that earlier. Kind of annoying when you have to do it again, change it. Okay, dark dirt path. And then do that. And put a flower. I think, what's flower shark plant. Actually, wait, what? Oh yeah. And I'll put the yellow mom. Yeah, looks pretty. And there, I'm not gonna plant a flower. I'm gonna put a thorium plant. Yeah, it's item, not a flower. It's not, I didn't take it from a flower, it's a plant. And then I go back, waterscape, and then one there, and one there. Jump, and then ladder, climb down, climb down, climb down, okay, one sec. Yeah, I'm gonna put the garden lantern, actually. I was thinking, what should I do? Put a garden lantern or climb down? A garden lantern. I actually bought a whole bunch of them because I think we need it. I saw it in the video. Go down now. Now we're gonna do the decoration on the corners and the top. Dark dirt path again. Right there and in the corners of the waterfall because it kind of looks plain. In the other corner, right there, and put flower like red tulip and a cosmos. Oh sure. And go down again. Okay, you need a ladder for this project or you can't do it. If the ladder breaks, oh my gosh. Now put Mrs. Flamingo. Now put Mrs. Flamingo and a mossy garden rock in the corner. Now I'll have to go down and go to the other side. And then now you could do the waterscaping on the sideways. Sideways. Is that a word? Does it make sense? I don't know. And do it till the end. Keep going. Keep going. This is taking forever. I don't know why. Keep doing. And then the last one. Right over there. And then, oops, and then I actually need to put a flower there. White fancy might be nice. Oh, I have to turn the decorations. I put them in the wrong place. I have to go back again. And then get the mossy garden rock. And turn Mrs. Flamingo because I don't like her like that. No, yeah. And the mossy garden rock. Right over there. Yeah. Mossy garden rock, place item. Then go to the other side. And then go down. And then now do the same thing on the other side. But first, mend the cliff like that, so it looks way prettier. Do the same thing on this other side, and I'll fast forward it. Now I'm almost done. I'm done both sides. Now I'll place another garden lantern and the other side also. Right there. And then now we're gonna do Zen fencing. Yeah. So fence 1, 2, and 3. And then the other side also 1, 2, and 3. After, you can put the tall lantern. It is a DIY, you can craft it. It's a lantern that is tall, that's why it's called tall lantern. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. The same to the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oops. 4. And okay, we're done right now, and it looks amazing. I wish I could have done this effort on the rest of my island. I really like this. I never thought I'd say this, but it was really a hard work. I'm really happy right now about this entrance I created. First there was just a bamboo tree. Bye. Today I showed you how to create such a great entrance. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. You guys could try it out if you have all the materials and all. So please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching my video, and bye!